Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Dogebonk. Ticker symbol is Dobo. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, this is not a new token. The Bonk token is a new token, but this is, one of the original OG Bonk tokens that I never did a video on, so I thought I'd review this token here. So don't think this is a new token. They do have a lot of holders already. And right now they have 41,660 holders. So they're a very well established project already. Just the Bonk name is kind of popular right now. So I thought I'd go over this token here, one of the OGs. 199,000 transfers on this token. 9 decimal places, and a total supply here of that is 1 quadrillion tokens. On their BSC scan, which you could find on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, they have links to their webpage, which is Dogebonk.com. They also have a contact email on here, Discord, Twitter, Telegram, and a Reddit, it looks like. Yeah, Reddit and CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap links. So they got lots of links on there. Even on CoinGecko, you could find a link to Twitch. They all have their own Twitch page as well. Also, blog.dogebonk.com you could check out. On CoinGecko, you can find the price chart, contract address, even a link to memetools.app. All that stuff is available on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Now, how do you get this token? This is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the Dobo token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, their webpage, their BSC scan. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, if there's taxes and whatnot. So just be aware of that. We'll try to find the tokenomics on here in 1 second. So if you head over to dogebonk.com, you're going to find lots of info over there as well as their socials. They even have a link. It says buy Dobo here or use PancakeSwap. So there is a link to their own, it might be their own swap here. And then there's a link to PancakeSwap, and you will have to set slippage. It says slippage is 12%, so you're going to have to set it around somewhere around 12%. So it says tokenomics, 10% tax is applied to all transactions, which is why you have to set your slippage to 12. 5% is distributed to Dobo holders just for holding the token. So you get reflections in Dogebonk tokens, 5% of that 10% tax, so half of the tax is distributed back to holders, and 5% is added to a forever locked liquidity pool to improve price stability. So it says Dogebonk, the first cryptocurrency sent into space. #sorry Elon, Reddit's meme of the year, home of the meme tools, and the most loved crypto by gamer girls. Missed out on Dogecoin? Bonk it. So they've been seen in Bloomberg, Benzinga, Daily Express, Bitcoin.com, Cointelegraph, Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, Investing.com, and other news outlets as well. So they have some quotes here from former CEO of BitMEXC says, "I want Dogebonk and any other meme coin." And then there's quotes from all these co-founders and founders and yeah, all these different people in the crypto world talking about Dogebonk. Then, of course, they have lots of memes on their webpage. Bonk memes. We love Dogebonk for being the most memeable project in the crypto space. Have a look at some of the memes handcrafted by our talented community. So there is some hilarious memes of, you know, Elon Musk hitting Bezos with the bat here, and then, you know, Doge hitting, you know, whatever. It's just them all just bonking each other with things, right? So then there's different games. So you can actually play games on the webpage here. There's links to them. So it says, can't get enough bonking, try bonking games. And so they have basically a game, it's like Flappy Bird, but it's called Flappy Bonk. And then they also have Battle Bonk, which looks like, is this, what is that, Donkey Kong? I haven't played game, I believe this is, yeah, it looks like Donkey Kong. Yeah, it's been a while since I played the old Nintendo, but yeah, it looks like Donkey... I am 40, so I was around when Donkey Kong came out, and I believe that's... No, maybe not. Maybe not. That's... No, it looks like Mario. Sorry. I mean, same company, but yeah, it looks like... is that original? I can't remember which Mario that is, though. Anyways, does not matter at all. So there is documents. You can check out their full audit. So they have an audit by Solidity Finance. They do have a full white paper here. Then they have another document as well. So tokenomics, it says liquidity is locked forever. We burnt all LP tokens, therefore we cannot pull liquidity. You can verify all these things that I'm saying too on the BSC scans. They all have their own individual BSC scan. Ownership is renounced. It's fairly launched. Total supply we already went over. So it says they burnt 43% already. And Pancake Swap liquidity is 11% of the tokens. It's a deflationary token because of the burning and reflections continuously reducing the supply. They have a rewards tracker on here. And then they have frequently asked questions if you want to find out things like where can I buy Dogebonk? Does Coinbase wallet support Dogebonk? What is the Pancake Swap link? Why is Dobo not showing up in my wallet? You know, all these different things that you can go through. Who runs Dogebonk? Is it going to be listed on central exchanges? And then at the bottom of the page, they have links to Nomics, Live Coin Watch, Coin Paprika, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko. And yes, check it all out. Very well established project here. Very memed out token. Lots of cool memes available all over, you know, Twitter and everywhere else that you could check out about Dobo. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.